Welcome back, everyone. You might be in a situation where, for some reason, your apps are crashing. Now, this can happen for a 50 billion different reasons, and I'll be completely honest, some of them are fixable, if you don't have any side-loaded apps. But if you do have side-loaded apps, things like Snapchat++ or Spotify++, or for example, like this GBA for iOS, if I go and open it, as you can see, this app is specifically crashing. If you have Delta or whatever, most probably, that's a more of a reasonable thing. Those apps probably can't open because, first of all, you might be in an unjailbroken state. But if you sideloaded them, that means maybe that certificate is revoked and you can't really open them. And if that's the case, you're just probably gonna have to wait. If you have alt store or whatever, then you can go and install it that way. Maybe you're away from your alt server and you can't open the app that way. Things like that can happen. So if that's the case, you're just going to have to go ahead and either re-sideload the app or downgrade your phone to a firmware that is supportive for those sideloaded tweaks, and then basically go from there. So if that's the specific case you're in, you should probably figure out a way to jailbreak your specific device, which I have made billions of tutorials on, and then reinstall these tweaks that way. Or if you're not jailbroken or you can't get jailbroken, your best bet is to wait until a certificate gets signed, until you can go ahead and reinstall these. But if you have apps that are, already native to your device, like Snapchat or the App Store or whatever, usually the App Store is good. But apps like Snapchat, TikTok, whatever, if these apps crash, it's not going to crash for me. But if these apps are crashing, this could be one of two things in my opinion. One, the specific version of app that you're on is messed up and you're going to have to go and delete it and reinstall it. Or two, the specific software version that you're on is messed up and you're going to have to go and either reinstall the software or just wait for an update on your device. Now, if it's the first part, where if it's the apps, that's messed up, the process is very, very easy. All you're going to have to do is delete the specific app. So for this example, I'll just go and delete Chrome. So let's say Chrome was messing up for me. I'll go and click here, click remove app. And then from here, I'll just have to go within the App Store and just find Chrome and then just reinstall it. Now it's being a little weird because I just deleted it, but I guess I just realized I removed the app and didn't delete it. So you're gonna have to delete these apps, but pretty much you just have to go back to the App Store and just reinstall it, just like how I should have done. And that's really pretty much the process in that case. But if you're in a case where all apps are crashing and you can't get any of the apps to open, then there's probably a specific version wrong with your software. Now, I'm running iOS 14 beta, if you guys can't tell, I have the widgets. And this software has been pretty good so far, but there's a lot of stability issues too. If you're running this beta and you're seeing app crashes, that's totally normal. Or in the future, if you're seeing a bunch of apps crashing or whatever, and you're on a beta software, or you just updated your phone and now you're seeing the problems, this can happen all the time. And it's not a problem with your phone. You're not going to have to go and reset your phone or get a new phone or whatever. It's a software issue. What you can do in that case is downgrade your phone using iTunes or the Files app or whatever the case is. You can still maintain your data. It'll just downgrade your phone a little bit. Or you can just simply power off your phone and restart it. Those are probably the best ways of going about doing it. In my case, I've been through a ton of different versions of software, and almost every single time when I update, there's usually one app or two apps that crash. And in this case, with iOS 14 beta, a lot of apps are crashing. So if you're on there, I'd probably recommend downgrading and going from there. So that's really pretty much it. A lot of different useful things in this video. I know it's been pretty long, but hopefully by the end of it, your apps are not crashing anymore. So if you have any questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count. So it would mean so much if you guys could hit that. Also, check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my main channel. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.